How's my SlipLo skid guard doing after 2 years of use? In this episode of Aston1936.com, I wanted to give you the 2-year update on how my SlipLo skid guard has been doing. So a couple of years ago, I purchased a SlipLo kit, which is basically a whole bunch of these adhesive polyurethane trim pieces that you can put together and make a nice looking skid guard on the front of your Aston Martin. So first off, I don't get paid by SlipLo to put this on there. This was something I just picked out on my own, and I thought, let me share how it's doing year after year. So this is the 2-year update, and now I want to show you how it's really doing. So let's do a close-up. So let's have a follow along and just take a look. So what I'm worried about primarily is the adhesive going to let go. So we can see, there's just a teensiest little gap here at this corner. Now, honestly, I don't know if it was like that right at the beginning if I didn't have it stuck down well. If we follow along and basically watch the line, here's another seam. We're looking pretty good here all the way along. It's completely stuck on just like it was when it was brand new. The bottom of the DB9 nose is a little wavy. So right here is another spot where there's a tiny little gap at a spot where there's actually a fair bit of bend in the nose. So I don't know if that's new or not, but that won't re-stick. So maybe that's the adhesive giving up, or maybe I didn't have it installed right. And if we follow all the rest of the way along, it looks like we're pretty much stuck on the whole way. And even on this end, we're actually in really good shape. It's on tight. So underneath, you can see what the virgin SlipLo material looks like. This is more towards the wheel. You can still see the logo. But as we follow along towards the center of the nose, where you'd expect it, this is where I have scraped on a few driveways. But it's tough. It is absolutely held up. And so the logos are scraped off. You can see maybe a little bit of one left, but it's been doing its job, and it doesn't gouge out or anything, or doesn't tear off. So this is actually holding up really well for actually doing the job of being a skid plate. So after 2 years, I'm really happy with it. Still looks good when it's on the car. So I'd still say it's probably a recommended buy, if there is such a thing from me. And I have no qualms about putting this on. It was pretty easy, pretty inexpensive. And tune back in a year from now, I'll show you the 3-year update. So if you're interested in putting a SlipLo on your car, please go ahead and check the video out up here. And I'll show you exactly how to do it. Down here, you'll find the companion blog article for how to install the SlipLo. If you like receiving videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe. And as always, please leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear if you've got a SlipLo on your car, how it's holding up. Thanks for watching.